The fairy light stitch is a perfect example of how you can use the simple running stitch to create extremely decorative variations. For this one, you need 2 parallel rows of the running stitch aligned by the stitches. So to help you with it, you may mark the stitch locations on the stitch lines, or if you are confident enough, just go by your eyes. Note that the running stitches grow in size as they approach convex curves and shortens when they are on concaved curves. For this variation, come out from the top row, pass under the first stitches of both the rows, loop the bottom stitch and go under the top running stitch and the weaving thread to continue with the same process on the second stitches of both the rows. Ensure to go under the weaving thread too to lock the loop in place, else it can just open up. This is a great stitch to decorate borders or edges with a lacy effect. These loops look like little fairy lights to me, the reason why I named it so. I hope you liked this super easy tutorial. If you have, please drop a comment and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. To support us, please check our Patreon account. The link is in the description. And while you are there, also check out the link to our ebook store that has hand embroidery books for learners of various levels. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.